If you would like to use a whiteboard with your participants, you can go to More Options and select a whiteboard. It will open something called a Jam, which is a Jamboard, a new tool from Google that allows you to create whiteboards and collaborate on them. When it opens, you will see it's going to be a white space where you will be able to use tools on the left to create content. I could use a pen tool to draw. I could use eraser to delete it. I could also clear the entire frame. I could use a pointer, so if I wanted to select something, that's what I would be using. I can put a sticky note, and I can change the color of it if I would like. I can also add images, and the images can be uploaded from my computer or even searched directly online. I can also add shapes, and there are different shapes to choose from if I click on the tiny arrow next to it. Plus, I can add text boxes. Finally, I can draw. So this one is more like a pointer rather than drawing that allows me to kind of highlight specific sections as well. If I want to switch pages, I can add another page to this whiteboard and just continue. So again, I could create text boxes, add notes, images, and so on. A lot of users like to use the whiteboard for collaboration, whether it comes to organizing notes or ideas together. Some instructors like to take a picture and have students write stories or comments on the picture, and so on. This Jamboard is available online, so if I wanted to share this with participants outside of my organization, I could change the sharing options and change it from Alpha Plus to be visible and accessible to anyone I send the link to. So I can send anyone with the link can not only view but also edit. And if I copy the link and send it to participants, maybe through a chat in the session here, they will be able to open it and collaborate on the whiteboard with me. So I would simply copy the text, go into the chat, and paste the link in there.